gobble that up, look. Look, here comes Mr. Mallard. He's coming to gobble it up,
I haven't
hasn't he?
seen any swans lately.
Ducky.
Ducky, yeah.
Yeah.
Mr. Mallard. And gulls.
What do the ducks say, Ian? Ducks, what do they say? Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
And look, there's a tufted duck. And a pigeon. And look, gulls.
Wow.
Yeah. He's come to get the bit of bread, that one, hasn't he? Yeah. He's seen it in the water. It's right flown down. Oh, look, there's a robin. Look. See the robin? Robin? Yeah, there he is. He's in the tree. The red robin goes above bobbing along. Look, all the gulls are eating the bread, aren't they? Look, you see them? Oh, they're very nibbly. Nibble, 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 nibble. Here comes Mrs. Moorhen. She wants to nibble it too, doesn't she? Yes, she does. She wants to go nibble, 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 nibble. Eat it all up in her tummy.
Although I've already seen.
Oh, look, some silly person's let their dog chase a duck. And the duck's gone splash into the river, hasn't it? Splash!
Look at your muddy face. Someone's been in the mud, haven't
Got the muddy
they?
steering wheel too.